this machine is the seated leg press. It's a compound movement, meaning we're using multiple joints, so there's no axis of rotation. So to line up, first thing we got to adjust our back seat. We like to be right in the center, okay, kind of best of both worlds, Mr. Arms always says. All right, and then the front is where I'm going to be bringing the pad closer or further to me based on my height. Okay, I want to make sure when I put my feet up, I'm going to have 90 degrees at my knees. If I don't, I'm going to need to bring it in a little bit further or bring it back out. For me, I bring it in a little bit closer. It's a little more uncomfortable to begin, but it allows me full range of motion for the actual movement. So, when I get in here, if I need to move it, I'm going to pull this tab. I can push or pull away. Okay, that's what this lever's for, is to help you move the apparatus. Okay, once I get in, I'm going to lift my feet up. Again, I'm lifting my hips up to get my feet on. A little uncomfortable here, but again, you can see 90 degrees. Put a little weight on, and then from there, maintain that 90 degrees. You don't want to be up. You notice that difference there, and I don't want to be down. Okay, having that acute angle. You want to make sure you're right at 90 degrees. From there, I'm going to sit nice and tall. I'm going to push forward, never hyperextending. Okay, never locking out. I want to make sure I keep that slight bend, and then bring it all the way down to where the weights almost touch, and then push back out. Again, you can do this with a single leg. If you're rehabbing, okay, this is a great machine for that. A nice stable platform. Rather than doing a free weight single leg squat, this is much more stable and secure if you're helping to build that muscle.